Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss on the paper Archive Film Defect Detection and Removal, an automatic restoration framework. In this paper, we present an automatic restoration system for digitized archive films affected by blotches. Restoration of old photographs is of great importance to preserve the originality of the medium as it is. Commonly occur defects are such as dirt, sparkle, noise, blotches, and scratches. We mainly focus on blotch removal here. Our proposed system contains two stages, named as detection of defects followed by removal of degraded pixel. Adaptive histogram shape-based thresholding is applied for creating defect map, that is, finding the degraded pixels. The quality of degraded pixels will be enhanced by constructing image prior structure over extended image neighborhoods. We give a new solution for the challenging task such as modeling image priors due to the high dimensionality of images and their non-Gaussian statistics also. We have to model correlations in image structure over extended image neighborhoods. We quantify our performance by computing the quality measures such as mean square error. Now let's see the explanation for the data flow diagram. First we have to input the image. The image should contain the blotches. The next block is separation of color components. The given input image is of RGB representation, so we have to separate the red component, green component and blue component separately. This separation is done via matrix indexing. Let us pass on to the next block, that is threshold determination. The given image is represented as intensity matrix consisting of values lies in the range of 0 to 255. Histograms plotted for each of the intensity values and threshold points are found. The defects can be distinguished by assigning an arbitrary pixel value or average pixel value to the regions separated by thresholds. Followed this block, defect map generation comes here. After getting this threshold value segmentation, next is started to generate the defect map. This will produce a binary segmented image consisting two groups of pixels. G1, it consists of all pixels with gray levels greater than threshold, and G2 consisting of pixels with values less than or equal to threshold. This defect map will be useful for the restoration of old archive input image. Following this, the blob detection is going on. Blob analysis is used to calculate the statistics for labeled regions in a binary image. The blob returns quantities such as centroid, label matrix, and blob count, and also the bounding box measurements. The detected degraded pixels will be enclosed by means of bounding box. Now come to this training set block. It is nothing but a collection of various natural images of different category. From this training dataset only, we are able to construct the image prior model structure. Now pass on to the next block. Image prior structure is constructed over extended image neighborhoods. We have to develop a parametric representation that uses examples for training, but it does not rely on examples as part of the representation. Train the image prior model on some generic database. The parameters are automatically learned from the training data. This image prior model permits fewer experts than dimensions. That means under complete. Equally many or more experts than dimensions. Come to this block, that is enhancement of degraded pixels. With the help of the image prior model structure obtained from the previous block, we are able to restore the original image. This is done by means of some filtering process. For this, first we have to project the image patch onto a linear component that is equivalent to filtering the patch with linear filter. The result of this block is nothing but the enhanced image. This result is completely removed from the blotches. We may compute the quality measure such as MSE, mean square error, for the result image. By observing the result, we can quantify our system. Now let's see the execution of our proposed implementation. The main file you have to run here is named as detect.m. Select that file and then right click, choose the option run file. It will ask you to select the defect image. Select any one image from the folder. Now I am selecting the second one. The subsequent results will be displayed one by one. Now the restoration process is going on here. It will take time to display the final restored result. The iterations are going on. That is displayed behind. Now see the command window. The iterations is going on. Among the 2500 iterations, now it is 2000 iteration is under process. Now the final image is displayed here. Now let me see the results one by one. Now this first figure window, it shows the original defect image that is selected by the user. Now see the defects. Defects are nothing but red blotches. It will damage the quality of the digitized archive film. Now in the second figure window, the three color components are displayed here: red, green and then blue. Now see the difference in these three color components, how the red blotches is displayed. Now finally, the degraded red component is alone displayed. Now let us move on to the next result. Now this is the segmentation, segmented binary image. Now this is the result of the blob detection process. The regions, those who are affected by blotches, is now enclosed by green color rectangle. By seeing this, we can easily identify the defect affected region. Now this is the pyramidal nature of the original defect image. Now this is the downsampled one. Now this is the corresponding downsampled representation for the segmented defect map image. Now the last one is our restored image. The original image and it is corresponding restored image. By viewing this, you can easily observe how the blotch is removed by our proposed implementation. So the mean square error is also computed here. You can see the value in the workspace. Let me show you the value of mean square error. Now it is 11.6367. This one. So we can reduce the error as much as possible. By viewing the result, our system will be a best one for the removal of blotches. Thank you.